So I just inherited this old Army trailer. Kind of cool. It's got good tires, tabs are good. Pretty rusted out, but it'll make a good garbage trailer. I went ahead and clamped up a beam, I guess you'd call it. I made sure it was square here since the trailer isn't square at all. I tried that route, it didn't work. So everything's square and the right dimensions. I think it's going to work out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and screw that in and put some trusses across, rafters, whatever you want to call them for a trailer. I'm not sure. Somebody will definitely correct me on that one. Anyway, onward and forward. Hey, Carmela. How you doing? She's a good kitty. Hey, everybody. There you go. That's a good fellow. Well, it's day 2, and I bought some metal. You can see there in the back of the truck. I've already started putting it up. Got all the framing done for the most part. I'd like to get that roof on there, give me a little shade. It's gonna look pretty good. I wouldn't take it on a long journey, but for what I need it for, this will be perfect. Heck yeah. Let's get to work. Yeah, that'll work out nice. I used a lot more screws than you would on a normal roof, of course. This thing will be going down the road at 50 miles an hour. Not too far though, about a mile or two. I think that'll work out good. Well, there it is in all its glory, and I am happy. I got it all oiled up. I got all the wood trim sealed. I have an overhang here to keep myself dry when I'm at the dump. I don't have any doors yet, but I do have the screen here to keep the critters out. And look how good the garbage fits in there. Yes! It was a fun project. Wasn't that difficult, and sure got a lot out of this trailer. It's gonna enjoy this for many years. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.